Hey guys, today we're gonna make a video on this little pistol, and it's NERF. So what you just pull the trigger back, put a bullet, then you push it front, then you're ready to shoot. Like you're done. And there's another part to go right here and the bottom. So what's cool about it? It's so good. When you shoot it really far, it hurts. It's a great NERF gun, but I'm not gonna say it's bad. So, okay. I hope you guys enjoy and leave a like.